Is your hair color doing enough to help aging clients stop the clock? Imagine if you could flawlessly cover every gray, double hair shine, and leave hair looking and feeling years younger. Plus, reap the anti-aging benefits of collagen, all with one hair color formula. Hi dolls, I'm Joico Brand Ambassador Larisa Love, and today I'm going to show you Joico's Fountain of Youth in a color line, LumiShine Youth Lock. Joico's first collagen-infused color line goes beyond gray coverage and helps revitalize strands and lock in the look and feel of younger-looking hair. With LumiShine Youth Lock, you get a radiant palette of luminous, natural-based shades. With every service, LumiShine Youth Lock locks in 100% gray coverage, restores youthful body, movement, and hair springs back with renewed bounce. Leaves hair noticeably smoother, softer, and more manageable, replenishes healthy-looking radiance with up to 2 times the shine, and delivers lasting hydration to help prevent breakage. Plus, because it's LumiShine, you know you'll get strengthened, restored hair that looks better than before thanks to bond-building Archiplex technology. To show you how transformative LumiShine Youth Lock can be, here's my Gray Away overlay technique that covers gray and creates gorgeous dimensional results with no fuss and no foils. Today, I'm using 5 color formulas. Formula 1 is LumiShine Youth Lock Permanent Cream Color 6NN with 20 volume LumiShine Developer. Formula 2 is LumiShine DD Dimensional Deposit Demi-Permanent Cream Color 6N with 5-volume LumiShine Developer. Formula 3 is Blonde Life Cream Lightener with 10-volume LumiShine Developer. Formula 4 is Blonde Life Cream Lightener with 20-volume LumiShine Developer. To start, prep hair with Joico Defy Damage Pro Series 1. Shake the can vigorously, then apply it to the hair in 2-inch sections starting in the back. Spray in short bursts, then comb it through for even distribution. Part the hair down the middle and divide it into 3 sections. Apply Formula 1 to the regrowth area in 1/8 inch parting starting in the back. I like to apply the formula from the back of the head forward to keep hair away from my client's face. It makes it a comfortable color surface. However, if your client has more gray in the front, start your application there first. To make sure I cover every single baby hair with color, I like to comb the temple area firmly before applying my color formula. I love that LumiShine Youth Lock has an exclusive anti-aging elixir that contains a signature blend of anti-aging ingredients like collagen, known to keep skin youthfully plump and improve skin elasticity and hydration, helps restore strength, hydration, and optimal health to aging fragile hair. BURITI fruit oil to leave hair feeling moisturized and incredibly glossy. Quadramine complex for healthier looking hair with every color service. And bond building arginine to reinforce each strand and reduce breakage. After the regrowth color application, part the back section in half. For client comfort, start in the back. It allows you to rinse and continue working in the front if the back lightens up faster than expected. Pro tip, keep a damp towel on hand for easy cleanup around the hairline and for your hands. Take a large 2 to 3 inch diagonal forward parting. Take a fine slice above that and clip it out of the way. Then apply Formula 2, the low light, from the regrowth application to the ends. Take down the clip section and apply Formula 3 in a balayage method. Make sure to really saturate the entire section. Crisscrossing or overlaying the sections is what makes this technique so easy. It allows you to quickly work through the head, highlighting and lowlighting at the same time with no foils or transfer. Repeat the process throughout the right side until you reach the crown. You should have 3 to 4 sections depending on the hair type and density, and with a balayage application at the crown. Repeat on the other side using the right side as your guide for sectioning. On the front sections, take a diagonal back 2-inch section that extends from the temple to the crown, and repeat the technique from below. Except this time, apply Formula 2 to the bottom parting from the regrowth to the ends, and apply Formula 4 for the top balayage section. Repeat the same process working up the head. Start the balayage lower on the hair shaft as you get closer to the crown to add more depth and dimension. When you reach the top, take a triangular face framing section out at the front. The hair behind this parting will be your lowlight, and the front will be your balayage. Repeat the process on the opposite side using your first side parting as a guide. Process for 35 to 45 minutes for full gray coverage. Then, shampoo with Defy Damage Protective Shampoo. Towel dry the hair and it's time for a gloss. Apply Formula 5 to towel dried hair from scalp to ends and let it process for 15 minutes. Rinse and shampoo again with Defy Damage Protective Shampoo, followed by Defy Damage Pro Series 2. Let this sit for 5 minutes before you rinse and style. And that's how you cover gray, create beautiful dimension, and restore youthful looking hair in one easy service. For more information on Joico LumiShine Youth Lock, go to joico.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.